First, let's bring back your essentials. Click the All Apps button at the top right of the Start menu to see everything installed on the computer. Scroll through and think about your daily routine. What's the first app you open for work? What browser do you use? What are your go-to tools? For each app you see regularly, right-click on it and select Pin to start. Be intentional here. Don't just pin everything you might use. Stick to the absolute must-haves. Your browser, email, file explorer, main work software like Word or Photoshop or Premiere Pro, any editing software that you use, and your key communication apps like WhatsApp, Teams. The goal is to create a high signal, low noise space where every icon has earned its spot. As you pin them, they will pop up in the pin section. Once you have 10 to 15 of your most used apps, take a step back. It looks better, but it's still just a sea of icons. Now, let's give it some structure.